So OpenAI has just released OpenAI o1, a new large language model, which they had previously codenamed Project Strawberry, and this model represents a significant leap forward in artificial intelligence, particularly in reasoning through complex tasks like math, coding, and science. This model is trained to spend more time thinking through problems before they respond, much like a person would. The model comes in two versions currently rolled out, o1 and o1 Mini, but the o1 legacy model is in preview mode. OpenAI's o1 preview model is suitable for complex tasks and uses advanced reasoning suitable for fields like math, science, and coding. The o1 Mini is fast at reasoning, cost-effective, specialized for coding and math, so it is the practical choice for STEM professionals. Similar to how a human may think for a long time before responding to a difficult question, this large language model uses the self-taught reasoner or STAR technique to run iterations in its thinking process, breaking down tricky steps into simpler ones, trying different approaches to the query and recognizing its mistakes. This chain of thought dramatically improves the model's ability to reason. Compared to earlier models like GPT-4o, the o1 model demonstrates notable improvements. For example, it scored 83% on a qualifying exam for the International Mathematical Olympiad, a significant step up from the 13% achieved by GPT-4o. This means it matched up a PhD student, but being an early model, it does not have useful features like browsing the web and file uploads yet. On the other hand, the o1 Mini holds its own in key technical benchmarks. It scores a 1650 ALO rating on the Codeforce's competitive programming platform, which places it in the 86th percentile of developers. Let's see how these models compare. On Reasoning and Intelligence benchmark, the o1 Mini outperforms both o1 Preview model and the o1 but fails on factual knowledge outside STEM. In terms of the model speed, GPT-4 model is faster than the o1 Preview and o1 Mini. That is because when presented with a query, the GPT-4 model goes straight to answer it, but the o1 model spends time to think and evaluate its approaches before it answers. Compared to the GPT-4o, the model was tested on a diverse set of human exams and outperformed the GPT-4o in virtually every task in both reasoning and accuracy. OpenAI has not just improved the performance of this model, they have focused on safety. Both models, o1 Mini and o1 Preview models, have been tested to resist jailbreaking. In fact, the o1 Preview scored 84% on OpenAI's toughest safety tests, compared to GPT-4o's 22%. The model also integrates enhanced reasoning to navigate complex ethical dilemmas while delivering responsible responses. To wrap it up, the OpenAI o1 and o1 Mini models represent major advancements in AI reasoning and problem solving. We finally have a more human-like thinking model. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.